Hi guys, Saloni this side and welcome back to our channel Codera. So guys, this is the 16th video of our SQL tutorial series, and in the last video we discussed about between and not between operator, in and not in operators. And in today's video we will discuss about like operator, not like operator, wildcard characters which is percentage and underscore, and we will also discuss about the escape character. And with this video I will also share the SQL practice questions, so please watch this video till the end so that you can solve those questions. And guys, if you are new to our channel then please hit the subscribe button so that you can get the latest updates. So guys, in our previous video we have filtered the data something like this. So till now the common thing here is that the value used in the filtering are already known, like the value of name, salary, date of birth, etc. But filtering the data in that way doesn't always work. For example, how could you search for all the departments that contain the text NA within the department name? So that cannot be done with simple comparison operators. So for this we have to use like operator and wildcards. So first let's see what is like operator. So guys, the like operator is used with the where clause to get a result set that matches the given search pattern in a column. So we provide a search pattern for a column to the like operator, and then the like operator tests whether any value of the specified column matches the given search pattern or not. So in this way the like operator filters the data. So we can use the like operator in the where clause of select, insert, update or delete statement. So the advantage of using the like operator is that it improves the performance of our application, and it also saves the time in filtering record from the table. So our application works in more efficient way, and with the help of like operator we can easily and quickly solve the complex queries. So guys, this is the general syntax to use the like operator. So in where clause we have to specify the column name on which we want to apply the like operator. So after the column name we have to write like keyword, and in the single quotes we have to define our search pattern. So now the question is, what is search pattern? So guys, the search pattern is a filter condition which is made up of literal text, wildcard characters, or the combination of both, which is literal text and wildcard characters. So to create search pattern, first we need to understand what is wildcard characters. So guys, there are two wildcard characters that we often used in conjunction with the like operator. So the first is percentage sign, which represents 0, 1 or more characters, and the another one is underscore, which represents one character. That means one underscore is equal to only one character. And you can also use these two wildcard in combination. So for better understanding, here are some use cases of these two wildcards. So let's discuss each of them one by one. So guys, here in first case our search pattern is J and then %. So it will find any value which starts with J. So as I said earlier, this % sign represents 0, 1 or more character. So the first character must be J, and after the J any number of character is allowed. So here are some possible outcome for this search pattern. So you can see with this search pattern you can also get a single character J in the output, because it starts with J and after that it has 0 character. So I hope you guys understand now how % wildcard works. So now in our next use case the search pattern is %A. That means the last character must be character A, and before that any number of character is allowed. And here are some possible outcome. So you can see that all these outcome has a character A in the end, and for the last outcome we have only one character which is A itself, because before A we have 0 character. So this is how it works. So now our next use case is %ER%. So it will find all the values which has ER at any position, and here are some possible outcomes. So you can pause the screen to check out the outcomes. Now in our next use case the search pattern is _R%. So this search pattern will find any value which will have character R at second position, because before R we have one underscore which represents one character. So that means R will be the second character. And after the R we have %. That means any number of character. So this search pattern will give us this type of outcome. So you can see R is at the second position in each outcome. So guys, it is very easy to create search pattern. And here we have one more search pattern, which is B%G. So this search pattern will find the value which starts with B and ends with G, because in between B and G we have %. That means any number of character. So for this search pattern, here are some possible outcomes. So you can notice that in the third string, BG is also a possible outcome, because % represents 0 or more character. So in this case we have 0 character between B and G. So guys, I hope you have a clear idea about the working of these two wildcard characters. So now let's select some rows using like operator. So in our employee table we have these 5 columns, which is ID, name, salary, department and date of birth. So guys, our first question is display all the details of the employee whose name contains O in their names. So guys, to solve this query we will write select star from employee, and then we will use where clause. Then we will write our column name, which is name. After that we will use like operator, and in single quotes we will write our search pattern. So our search pattern will be %O %. So let's execute our query. So you can see in the output we have 3 records, and in all the records name contain O character. So in this way you can use the like operator. So now our second question is select ID, name and department from the employee table with the department that have C at the third position. So let's solve this question. So we will write select ID, name, department from employee, where now we have to write the column name. So our column name is department. Then we will write like, and then we will write our search pattern. So we want the character C at the third position, so we have to give 2 underscores. So we will write 2 underscore then C, and after the C we can have any number of character, so we will write %. So let's execute this query. So guys, in the output we have only 2 records, and the department is account, because it has the character C at the third position. So guys, let's solve one more question on like operator, so that you can have a better idea about its working. So the third question is select all employee with a name that follows the below condition. So the first condition is the name must start with the letter T, and the third letter of name must be M, and the second letter of the name can be anything. Guys, let's solve this question. So to solve this question we will write select a star from employee, where name, like, and then we will write our search pattern. So our search pattern will be T_M, because the first letter should be T, the third letter should be M, and in between them we can have any character. That means the length of our string will be 3. So let's execute this query. So guys, you can see in the output we have only 1 record, because there is only 1 record which has 3 character, which starts with T and end with M. So it is very easy to use the like operator and to create the search pattern. And guys, we can also reverse the result of like operator by just adding not operator before the like operator. So suppose we want all the names of the employee which does not have A in their names. So we can write name not like %A%. So it will give us all the names which does not contain character A. So let's solve a query based on not like operator. So the question is display ID, name and date of birth of the employee whose date of birth is not in March month. So guys, to solve this query, we will write select ID, name, date of birth from employee, where date of birth. After that we will write not like. So not like, and then we will write our search pattern. So we will write %-03 %, and then semicolon. So guys, here this query will find all the records whose date of birth does not contain 03 in the middle, because the 03 represents the March month, and here we want the employee detail whose date of birth is not in March. So let's execute this query. So guys, you can see in the output we have records whose date of birth is not in March. So in this way you can use the not like operator. So guys, this like and not like operator are very important topic of SQL and also for the interviews. And here is one more topic I would like to discuss is escape character. So guys, as of now we know that there are two wildcard characters, that is % and underscore, that we use to make the search pattern. But what if we want to search % or underscore itself in a field using like operator? So for example, we want to search these strings. So it is not possible to do so because the like operator will consider the % and underscore as wildcard character. So to deal with such cases, we have to use the escape characters. So guys, escape character is used to escape the wildcard character, that is to escape % and underscore. So when we use the escape character, then at that time the wildcard character are treated as literal. So the default escape character is \, and you can also specify your own escape character with the help of escape keyword. So you will have to write escape, and in single quotes you have to specify your escape character. Like here I have written exclamation mark. And don't worry if you are confused about the escape character. You will get a better idea with the practice questions. So to practice some questions, I have added two more columns in our employee table, which is progress and employee code. So our question is display ID, name and employee code from the employee table who contains underscore in employee code. So guys, to solve this query, we will write select ID, name, employee code from employee. So after the table name we will write where employee code like, and then we will write our search pattern. So we will write %_%. So here in this case the underscore will be considered as a wildcard, but we want to search the underscore in the field. So before the underscore we will write \. Now the MySQL will consider the underscore as a literal, not the wildcard. So always remember you have to write the escape character before the wildcard. So let's execute this query. So guys, you can see in the output, in the employee code column we have all the value which contains underscore in their name. So in this way you can use the escape character. And suppose you want to define your own escape character, so you have to write escape and then you have to define your own character. So I will write exclamation mark. So here in place of \, you have to write the exclamation. So this time the MySQL will consider the exclamation mark as the escape character. So let's execute this query. So again this time our output is same. So in this way you can also define your own escape character. And here we have one more question. So the question is display all the records from the employee table which contains % in the progress column. So guys, I hope after watching this video you will be able to solve this question. So try to solve this question and drop your answer in the comment box, and I will also pin the correct answer in the comment box. And guys, if you want to practice more on like operator and wildcard character, then please check out the PDF in the description box for SQL practice question. So guys, that's all about like operator and wildcard character, and in the next video we will discuss is null and is not null operator. So please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.